How to sign up for SoundCloud on mobile. To create a SoundCloud account on your phone, first download SoundCloud app on your Android or iPhone. Once you downloaded and installed SoundCloud, open it. Now once you open SoundCloud, you will see create an account option. So select on create an account. Now the best way to create a SoundCloud account is by using an email. So under here, enter your email address. Once you put the email address, tap on continue. Now create a strong password which should be at least 8 characters. Once you created a strong password, now here tap on continue. And now you can set up your SoundCloud account details. At first you will be given the option to choose a display name. So here you can delete the default name automatically generated by SoundCloud and create your own display name. Once you put your display name, under it enter your age. And then select your gender. And again tap on continue. And you will be sent into SoundCloud and your account will be successfully created. Now here you can just tap on this cross icon and you can allow SoundCloud to send you notification, and that's done. Now you can start using SoundCloud on your phone. So that's it. That's how you can sign up for SoundCloud and log into it. And if you found this video helpful, please consider liking this video and leave a comment. And if you want to delete your Spotify account, then watch this video and I will see you in the next one.